What's up guys, welcome to another POV driving video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you why I love using manual in this car. We're going to drive in manual, we're going to make some pops and bangs, and I'm going to tell you why I love it. So first thing we need to do is put it in manual. And Sport Plus of course. So let's drive. So you got to be quick getting from first to second gear in this car. It will hit its red line really quickly. But the downshifts are awesome. So the reason why I love manual so much is just this car is, you just get so engaged with the gearbox. I mean, if we get stuck behind this van here, it's not going to matter because we can just drive slow, play with the gears, and it is a ton of fun. So we're keeping it in a very low gear because that's where all the fun is. And you just get these amazing pops and bangs from the back. And they're so easy to get with manual mode because you flip it into second gear, get the amazing downshift, and then just awesomeness. It is just so much fun. Sound bounces off things, so when you're in an enclosed area like this with trees, the sound of the pops and bangs in the exhaust is going to bounce. Listen. And it's just much louder. I do apologise if there's some background noise back there. I've got a child seat and it's a bit ratty. It's too fun. Right, okay. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. I love these paddles as well. They're a nice metal finish. They're not massive and they are connected to the steering wheel, so when you turn they do move with it, which isn't ideal sometimes, but I think they're a perfect size really. They're not obnoxiously big. Do some downshifts now. I wish I could just stay in second gear. So aside from the engagement with the gearbox, the pops and bangs, and the fun you can have with manual mode, I do just love the kind of feeling of driving in manual mode, you know, being able to control the gears. It's not obviously not as fully involved and as engaging as a proper manual, but, you know, there's something very, very satisfying about pressing one of these pedals and then just hearing the engine respond and the gearbox, particularly on the downshifts.